The different municipalities and city comprising the province of Agusan del Sur in Region 13 or CARAGA region. The province of Agusan del Sur has the municipality of Prosperidad as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in Region 13 or CARAGA region. It was founded on June 17, 1967. It is composed of 1 city, 13 municipalities, and 314 barangays. The total land area is 9,989.52 kilometers squared or 3,856.98 square miles. Here are the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Agusan del Sur. We have Bayugan City with 43 barangays. Municipality of Bunawan with 10 barangays. Municipality of Esperanza with 47 barangays. Municipality of La Paz with 15 barangays. Municipality of Loreto with 17 barangays. The Municipality of Prosperidad, which also serves as the provincial center or provincial capital, with 32 barangays. The Municipality of Rosario with 11 barangays, and the Municipality of San Francisco with 27 barangays. We also have the Municipality of San Luis with 25 barangays, Municipality of Santa Josefa with 11 barangays, Municipality of Sibagat with 24 barangays, Municipality of Talacogon with 16 barangays, Municipality of Trento with 16 barangays, and the Municipality of Veruela with 20 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Agusan del Sur in Region 13 or CARAGA region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.